Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart envelope. For this we're going to need a square sheet of paper, and to get that, if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you quickly now how to get one. If you're a child, you're going to need an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous, and you're going to need scissors for the next part. You're going to want to fold your paper diagonally like that, nice and even, corner to edge, all the way along. You're going to want to take your scissors and you're going to want to cut off the extra piece. When you do that, you're going to end up with a square sheet of paper. Now, okay, for this, we're going to want to fold it like this. You're going to want to fold it in half. This will be an easier way. We'll get these folds. Fold it in half. Then yeah, let's just do this. Something like that. Okay? So then you have your piece folded like that. You're going to take it, you're going to fold this one over to that line. You're going to want to fold this one up. And you're going to want to take this and fold it down to that. Then unfold this, unfold this. You want to take this and fold it up to that other line you created. And then unfold it. Then next, fold it in half, like we did earlier with that other line. Straighten it out. Oops. You're going to want to fold this one over to that line we created. Just like that. And unfold it. And fold the left side over to that line that we created. Then unfold it. And fold this one up to that line. And then you're going to unfold that. Now you're going to fold the top down to that line. Just like that. Then you're going to want to unfold that. And I'm going to rotate it like this. So how do we have that? Like this, with our corner fold down here, right? And then we're going to flip it over like that. And then take and fold it over to that line. Then you're going to unfold that. And you're going to fold the right side over to that line. Then you're going to want to, you got that, fold it over to there. And we're going to unfold that. Now we're going to take and fold like this, and then this one, and like that. You're going to want to fold the bottom up to that line. You're going to fold these corners up and up. Just follow the lines. Then you're going to want to unfold them. Then you're going to want to reverse fold like that. And then reverse fold. There we go. Kind of. Like that. Then you're going to want to fold it underneath. And fold it underneath. And fold this down. Just like that. Then you're going to want to turn it. And you're going to want to fold it up to there. Crease this corner up. Same with the other side. Up. Then unfold it and reverse fold like we did on the other side. So reverse fold, reverse fold, whoops. So take not both layers, just one layer. And then fold it back. And then you're going to open the box up like that. Oh, let's go back here for a second. You're going to fold that and fold this underneath. Then fold it back. Just the one layer. Then we're going to open it. Like that. And you just kind of want to straighten out your edges. Straighten out all your edges like that. Okay, you got it all like that. You're going to want to reverse it. So when you got your edges all straightened out, just kind of reverse the folds so you have it just like that. Then you're going to take the bottom, fold it up. Oh, wait, which one? Shoot. Okay. Take one side out like that. You're going to want to fold this down corner ways. And crease it. Fold the other side down corner ways. Increase that. Then you want to fold it back like that. So you got it like that now. So I'm going to turn it around. We're going to fold this up. We're going to take and pull this one out, and this one out. And then we're going to fold it back down like that. Take just one corner here and go like this, and then like that. And you're going to flip it up. And then just grab this here. You're going to want to just flip it back like that. Then you want to flatten it. Just kind of flatten it, just like that. So you have it just like that now. Then you're going to take the back and you're going to flip it down corner ways. And then just reflatten that back out. And go back to the back here and go corner ways. And then just flatten that back out. And then we're going to just take we're just going to take the top edge here. We're going to fold that down. And then we're going to take the next side here. I'm going to fold that one down till it's even across like that. I'm going to fold this side back in and this side back in. So you're going to want to take this corner. You're going to want to just kind of fold it up a bit. And then fold it kind of in just like that a bit. You're going to want to do the same with the other corner. Just like that a bit. And then unfold it a bit. And then open it. And then just kind of fold it down along that line. Then you're going to want to fold it back in. You're going to want to fold that down and just kind of move that up. Fold that down and do that. Now we're going to take this and we're going to tuck it down underneath. Same with the other side. We're going to tuck that down underneath. We're going to open this up. And see? So now we have it like that, all tucked underneath. All our pieces are folded and shaped. Take that and fold that down and turn it around. There we go. So just so you can see all the folds I did here. When you flip it open, turn it around, you got your heart box. Your heart envelope. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.